Welcome back. Continuing the news. If you assault a police officer or consult a person practicing obia, you could be fined up to $1 million under a law being debated in Parliament. It's called the Law Reform Amendment of Penalties Act, which seeks to change the fines on the laws linked to the Justice Ministry.
Stunned by the April 2017 news that a reputed gang leader was fined $100 for making a false declaration to immigration officials in Jamaica, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck has been on a mission to update laws with outdated fines and penalties. For example, if someone assaults a police officer at court, they can be fined up to $40. Yes, $40.
This is just one of the many ridiculous penalties we have on the books.
But now, under the proposed change, such person could be fined up to $1 million. And that's also the proposed maximum penalty if someone takes or attempts to take a photograph in court. The current fine is $20. Changes are also coming to the Obia Act. If one consults a person practicing obia, the fine is $100. Under the new law, it may be increased to $1 million. Those who intimidate or prevent a witness summoned to give evidence now face a fine of $200 or 6 months in jail. The suggested change, $1 million or 12 months. And for persons who abscond bail, the possible maximum penalty is $2 million. It's currently $500,000.
The criminals, Mr. Speaker, laugh at the law-abiding citizens in this great nation when they break the law and are given a slap on the wrist because the court is constrained on how much they can penalize them. A fair justice system, Mr. Speaker, requires consistency and certainty in penalties. Penalties that are commensurate with the offenses and penalties that will help victims to feel that justice has been served. Penalties that will help to restore confidence in the justice system.
More than 800 laws were reviewed by the Legal Reform Department of the Justice Ministry and recommendations made to various ministries. Delroy Chuck is hoping that other ministers will follow his cue and update laws with outdated fines and penalties. The House has suspended debate on the Law Reform Amendment of Penalties Act. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.